cutback. Let's go.
Beautiful day, baby. Beautiful day for some foosball.
Time to get this W.
Win on three. Win on three. 1, 2, 3, win.
Hurry up, baby. Let's go. Hey, this is our half. This is our half. We're about to take it over. You got me? We're about to take this thing over. We're going to get this thing going right now. Right now, let's get this thing going. Let's go, baby. Hey, get some energy. Get some energy, baby.
But I tell you what, you're wearing the jersey, man. You're wearing the jersey. And there's men all over this state and country that are watching you today, and they want to see how you're going to represent it. You got to step up and represent that jersey because you love where you're at, and you love your brothers in this room. Yeah. Let's get it done, man. Yeah. Great defense right there. Great job. Hey, big time stop. Turnover! Turnover! Let's go again, baby! Let's go! Love y'all!
Let's go, baby. Hey,
Give me a picture of it and send it to me. Right here, real quick. That's what's up.
How proud I am for you guys letting me be a part of you guys. Proud of you, Coach, I tell you. But when you got that in you, when you got don't give up, relentless, I mean, that's a special, special deal, I promise you. And I'm just proud to, in this room, have so many people that are made like that. Thank y'all so much. This is you guys.